It's your boy Noodles checking in, man. Back with another banger, man. Sending peace, love, joy, and happiness all your way. I hope you've been taking care of yourself, putting yourself first. You deserve it. You matter.
It's your boy Lamar SRT, and I'm back here with another video. Basically, today's video, we're gonna be telling y'all how to be getting started on YouTube. How to get started on YouTube. Now, I'll say it like this. YouTube is not a hard platform to get started on, but it's not also the easiest. Okay? So, me personally, starting on YouTube, the biggest thing when you start on YouTube is you really just gotta find like that creativity mindset, like what you want to do. You have to already have like a plan of what you want to do. Right. So like for instance, like me and him, we do car content for y'all. You know, that's something we do on a regular basis. You know what I'm saying? But for like anybody, like women, men out there, like y'all want to do car content. Y'all want to like teach how to cut hair. Y'all want to teach how to do makeup. Y'all want to game. Y'all want to do reviews like about books, food, all that stuff. You really just got to find your passion in it and like find your passion or your creative like ground and stick to that. But also you got to be very, very dedicated to it. Got to be very consistent. You can't just be doing a video. Can't do like 3 videos, take like 3 weeks off, come back, then try to do 2 more videos, take like a week off, come back, drop another video. Like you gotta be very, very consistent when you start out. Now me, I'll be the first to say when I started doing YouTube, I was very, very inconsistent. He will literally tell you this shit right now. I was very, very inconsistent.
For somebody like just a random person that wanted to get started, how would they get started? Like what would they have to do? What would they need to get started on YouTube?
Say to get started on YouTube is all you need is
that's it.
Your phone. You gotta have a phone. And if like you want to carry your phone, go get you a tripod. You find this on Amazon for cheap. You know what I'm saying? Really the only 2 things you need.
You know, when I first started YouTube, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't.
I don't think everybody knew.
So it's not about knowing what to do. It's just about starting.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Because you gotta have a starting point.
Yeah,
so if it's anybody out there that's watching this that wants to start YouTube, the only thing you need is an iPhone. All you have to do is just start. Put your phone down, talk to your camera. You feel me? You gotta learn how to talk to the camera. You know what I mean? That's a big one too, because a lot of people. And that's the main thing I hear when people don't start. You feel me? That's the main reason.
I have been a victim. I kept saying all the goddamn time. Because what you'll do is you'll get like creator's block. So what I mean by creator's block is you will be in a sentence, like you'll be speaking clearly. And your topic of whatever subject you're speaking about, you'll speak about it. And then whatever you're thinking about next on saying, it doesn't come out. So now you just sitting there confused and you just saying or something like that.
I used to do that.
Like you and I feel like that's how everybody start out because you know you got first of all you gotta get comfortable in front of the camera. That's your biggest thing. I know it may seem weird at first because now I feel like you're just talking to yourself through a phone.
Right.
Like when you out in public, trust me, it's weird.
That's why how I got over being camera shy was kind of like, you know, I'm not looking like I'm talking to a phone. I'm looking at it like I'm talking to my audience, bro. I'm talking to some people. I'm talking to somebody. You know what I mean? So it's just like we're on FaceTime with you right now.
Right.
That's what it's like.
Yeah.
You just act like you're on FaceTime with somebody. You just chop it up, bro, like a normal person.
Yeah.
You feel me? So with the starting YouTube, you got to get over being camera shy. And that'll just come with you doing it more and more. It comes with repetition. Second, like he said, you got to find your niche. You got to find what you like to do. You know what I mean? See, the thing about my channel is I got so many different niches. I started doing music. Then I went to being spiritual. I got workout videos. I got vegan videos. I got semen retention videos. I got basketball videos. I got car videos. I I do it all, bro. So it's like with my channel, I got gun videos. You feel me? God, all that. Like I do it all, bro. So the thing about my channel is it's like very versatile. I got a lot of different topics, but they don't recommend that. You really just want to stick to one niche. I know a lot of people that they drop little small ass videos, like 3-minute videos, 4-minute videos, 5-minute videos. You want to try to make your content because they're pushing small creators right now. You want to make your videos. If you can do a 20-minute video every day or every other day, that's a good ass video.
It's a good ass, but even if you just do like, okay, I'll say like if you do at least like a 18, if you like,
yeah, even 15 would be cool.
Like if you do like at least a 15 to 20-minute video, like just over like a topic or like game, something like that, something that you good at, you good. You know what I'm saying? And then another thing is, with y'all videos, like if you post like the whole week, nothing you can do to help, like, you know what I'm saying, grow like at a rapid pace, I would say is like you can do shorts.
So basically that's how to get started, right? You want to just, you know, you just got to start, man. You know what I mean? You take your iPhone, you pick your iPhone up, you hit the record button, and you just talk, man. It could be about anything. It could be about your job, you know. It could be about your dog. It could be about your friend. It could be about your life. It could be about your journey. You just got to pick the camera up, man. You got to talk. So that's number one, how to start. So we might as well talk about how to grow as well. That wasn't in the plan, but why not?
But, I mean, we might as well throw it in there because eventually they're going to need to know how to.
Yeah. So, like, because like everybody can start, but if you're not seeing results, people might quit. So now I'm going to give you guys a couple tips on how to grow your channel. So as y'all know, I'm at 20K. You know, it took me, like, I'll say 2 good years of me trying really, really hard. And I'm at 20K. I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, man, I kind of know a little bit about YouTube and how to grow and shit because, you know, he just hit 900.
We just hit 900, y'all.
So
we 100 away from 1K. Let's get to it. But anyway, that's a whole nother thing for the whole other comment for another day. But yeah, we just hit 900. But
yeah, so
continue, my bad.
Congrats to him, man. He just hit 900. But like I said, YouTube is really a patient. You gotta have patience. You gotta have consistency. You gotta be dedicated, like he said. To grow on YouTube, what you would need to do is you need to upload a video at least 3 to 4 times a week if you want to grow rapidly. You want to upload a long video 3 to 4 times a week, which is really hard if you work a job or if you know, I know life be lifing, bro. I got hit with stories, so I'm gonna hurry up and wrap this up for y'all. So basically, to grow on YouTube is, like I said, you gotta be consistent, you gotta have patience, you gotta be dedicated, right? So you wanna post 3 to 4 times a week, if possible, on YouTube, long videos, and if you can, you wanna post shorts every night, just to, because the thing about shorts is it blows up more than your regular videos. So if I was you, bro, to blow up on YouTube, just follow this strategy, bro. 3 to 4 long videos a week. And when you make the video, go to the description and describe what the video is about. Put your hashtags in it. Use keywords in your title. Use a good thumbnail. Keywords in the title. Hashtags in the description. Link all your shit in the description. And do at least a couple shorts a day. And if you continue this, you will see growth. Don't look at the numbers. Just follow the strategy. You feel me?
That's the biggest thing.
Don't look at the numbers.
Like, you might think like, okay, because I'll be honest, when I started YouTube, I had like 23 subscribers, yo.
And you was going hard though. That's the thing.
Like this shit is like, I would say y'all, like, it's really a grind. It really is. Because like, if y'all work, like, y'all gotta think like working and then getting off to do content is like one of the hardest things ever to do. It's basically like you having like 2 jobs.
Right.
You working 2 jobs. You know what I'm saying? And it's not easy. Now, I'm not saying that it's not possible.
It's possible.
But as long as you do 20 minutes a day of just pure content,